What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video, I'm going to go over the recent news of PayPal and Venmo offering cryptocurrency purchases. It said that you'll also be able to store cryptocurrency within a wallet directly in PayPal. So I'm going to go over that news and why I think it's really huge for the cryptocurrency space and mass adoption. Also, I'm going to do some SparkPoint updates. There's been a lot of big things happening in the last week, and I'm just going to go through those updates at the end of this video. So be sure to stick through the whole video. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new videos. Also, comment below what do you think about this news and where do you think the crypto space is headed by the end of 2020. So PayPal and Venmo rolling out crypto buying and selling on their platforms is probably the biggest crypto news we've had all year. If this is true and they do roll out crypto buying and selling on their platforms and adding crypto wallets to their platform as well and allowing you to store crypto directly within your PayPal account is massive. That's going to give access to 325 million people to be purchasing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. These people already have existing accounts. They won't have to go create an account on Binance or Coinbase to buy cryptocurrencies. So that's going to be massive and get millions of new users and holders in the crypto space. I think this is very bullish, and I definitely think if this is legit, we're definitely going to be headed into a very bullish market end of 2020. We had other big things happening this year as well, like the Bitcoin halving beginning of May, as well as we have Ethereum staking and Cardano staking launching very soon as well. All very bullish things for the crypto space. At the same time, we have massive inflation coming due to all the printing from the governments around the world for coronavirus and many other things happening in the economies around the world that are definitely making crypto look very appealing to the standard investors. So CoinDesk was the first to launch this information. They did have 3 sources they talked to, but they did not reveal any of these sources. So that is kind of fishy, and the news is not 100% confirmed, but it does say it's from a well-placed industry source. So this person said, my understanding is that they are going to allow buys and sells of crypto directly from PayPal and Venmo. Also saying they're going to have some sort of built-in wallet functionality so you can store it there. It is unclear which or how many cryptocurrencies would be available. The industry source said they expected PayPal would be working with multiple exchanges to source liquidity. A second source confirmed that PayPal is looking to offer buying and selling of crypto and said the service could be expected in the next 3 months, maybe sooner. So 2 sources right there pretty much confirming that PayPal and Venmo will be offering cryptocurrency, but these sources are not revealed, so it's definitely not 100%, and we definitely don't know when exactly they're going to be planning to roll it out or any other information on what they're going to be offering. So they could possibly even be offering some type of decentralized finance options or staking within PayPal as well. Definitely if they look into this and expand, I think it could be pretty huge. 325 million people getting access to purchasing crypto from their already existing account. No need to go through KYC or any of that other stuff with Coinbase, Uphold, or Binance, or any other exchange or platform. So this is very huge if it is legit. From the sounds of it, it is, but I'm definitely not going to get my hopes up just yet. But by end of 2020, it sounds like what the second source said will be launching by end of 2020. So that would be very bullish for the end of year, definitely leading into a new bullish market in my opinion. So with this news this morning, the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum did go up a small amount. So Bitcoin's back in this rising wedge now. If we do break out of this in a few weeks, we could be headed for the $11,500 price range for Bitcoin. I definitely think Ethereum and Cardano are going to be rising much more than Bitcoin though. So the crypto space in general is pretty bullish right now. Many cryptos are launching their mainnets. Many cryptos are launching staking. We're seeing many altcoins go up 300 to 1,000% very easily. So I definitely think this is very bullish, and a lot of people are discussing crypto again, and a lot of retail investors are getting into cryptocurrency for the first time. So to put things in perspective, there's not even enough Bitcoin for each PayPal user to have just 0.05 BTC each. That's around $500 at the current price. So if every PayPal user wanted to have some Bitcoin, there just wouldn't be enough supply for each to have even $500 worth. Basically, that would take all the Bitcoin out of the circulating supply, and there just wouldn't be any on the exchange to even purchase. So that's the scenario where we get the Bitcoin price skyrocketing. You have to also consider 11.4 million Bitcoin are held for long-term investments. They're not actively being traded. These are people that invest in Bitcoin for the long-term price of $100,000 to $1 million per Bitcoin. So there's also 3.7 million Bitcoin that's lost forever. People that lost their secret passphrase and just can never get that crypto back. So basically that 4 million Bitcoin is out of circulation. Only 3.5 million Bitcoin is being traded actively on exchanges. So if there was a surge in demand and that 3,500,000 Bitcoin was taken out of circulation, there just wouldn't be any Bitcoin left basically until the price went high enough to where people were willing to sell from their long-term holdings. So there are so few Bitcoin in existence that if every millionaire in the world wanted just one Bitcoin each, there just wouldn't be enough Bitcoins in existence to fill that demand. So there's 46.8 million millionaires in the world. If every millionaire wanted one Bitcoin, there wouldn't be enough, not even for every millionaire to have half a Bitcoin. So I think once people pick up on the scarcity of Bitcoin, a lot of new investors are going to be getting in, at least with a small percentage of their portfolio. It's definitely diversifying, especially in a economy like this where massive amounts of money is being printed. Trillions of dollars being printed is going to cause massive inflation. So many people are looking for a safe haven and a hedge against that inflation. So not only is there 46.8 million millionaires in the world, but also 1,700 people become a millionaire every single day in America. So every year that adds up to a massive amount of people becoming a millionaire. This is mostly people though that are inheriting wealth from their grandparents and parents and becoming a millionaire that way. But regardless, the younger generations are going to be more likely to support and purchase crypto and understand it. So the more time goes on, really, the more people that will be invested in crypto, and it's just going to keep growing and have a snowball effect, especially with people taking tons of crypto out of circulation for long term, doing staking and other big things like that. Decentralized finance gives you a way to earn some passive income as well. So lots of new things coming to the crypto space, allowing you to earn some passive income is going to help bring a lot of attention to the crypto space as well. So we're also seeing rising demand for Bitcoin ATMs. There is now 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide. That grew from 7,000 in just March, so it's growing pretty quickly. And I definitely think that shows rising demand for cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, which is a great sign as well. Definitely think we're headed into a new bullish market, especially with all these altcoins going anywhere from 300 to 1,000% within just a small period of time. So it does sound like this PayPal Venmo news is pretty legit. So I'm hoping this rolls out by the end of 2020. That would be pretty much the biggest thing that could happen for Bitcoin this year, next to the Bitcoin halving and all the staking that's launching as well. I definitely think it's going to be a great end of 2020, and mid 2021 is when Bitcoin should be peaking out around $100,000 per Bitcoin based on the previous charts from the Bitcoin price rises after the previous Bitcoin halvings. So huge things happening in the crypto space. Everyone's getting bullish. A lot of new people looking to get into cryptocurrency. So having that on PayPal is going to be a great option for those people. I've had a few people wanting to buy Bitcoin and crypto lately and just having problems signing up with Coinbase and Binance and things like that. So it's more difficult for the average person. So an option like PayPal would be great for retail, especially they'll be able to handle much larger volumes. The last time we had a bull run, basically Binance and Coinbase had to shut down just because of there being too many users signing up at once and congesting their servers. So I'm going to go over some quick SparkPoint SRK updates. They have some important stuff that happened in the last week, so I just want to update you guys real quickly. If you guys haven't heard about this project, I definitely recommend having it on your radar. If you want to learn more, there's some videos on my channel. So they are launching a new staking program that'll be done through their SparkEarn platform. Staked tokens will automatically be locked during the staking period. So SparkEarn, I highly recommend signing up and checking that out. You can earn some SRK there on a monthly basis, and you can send them referrals at any time you want. So they have a monthly pool of SRK tokens that people can earn from until it's all gone, and then the platform basically closes until the next month. So definitely interested to see how this next staking program is going to work. Many altcoins have been going up anywhere from 3 to 10x just based on staking. Atomic Wallet Coin just did 700%. launching staking in their wallet. So that's definitely something huge for the SparkPoint project. Also, they have a few gaming apps for crypto. Crypto Burst game is really interesting, definitely fun and addicting. They now have 1,000 downloads on this. This basically just launched, and they're going to have some updates for this end of month as well. So pretty huge. They also added the option to earn SRK. So play to earn. Every 15 to 20 levels, you do earn a pretty large amount of SRK, and you can earn 100,000 SRK tokens just from getting to level 100 within this game alone. So 2 ways you could earn some SparkPoint SRK is by signing up for the Spark Earn platform and doing the bounties. You can earn some SRK through that. You're also going to be able to stake your SRK. You could also win some SRK from these play to earn games. And then Hopit just announced this as well. So you're going to be able to earn 22.4% annualized interest. I haven't really looked into this yet, but this does look pretty interesting. So you're going to be able to earn interest by holding your SparkPoint SRK on Hopit through this investment platform. If you want to learn more about this, I'll link this in the video description. So also they're launching a new crypto slicer tournament. This is the 3rd tournament. $500 in SRK prizes for the top 100. If you have NFTs for crypto slicer, you will get bonuses on top of that. So SparkPoint does already have NFTs as well that are being sold on the OpenSea platform. There's a new SparkPoint vote for CoinDeal.com. So you could vote daily on this exchange. So I do recommend signing up for CoinDeal Global and placing your daily vote for SparkPoint SRK. They did get listed on Uniswap as well, which is probably the biggest DEX there is right now. You can also earn SRK by providing liquidity on Uniswap, which is very interesting also. I'm going to be looking into this, and I'll provide more info in my next SparkPoint update. So Uniswap also just launched to version 2 of their platform, which with that launch, they now have the most USD volume out of any DEX in the crypto space. So that's great that SparkPoint listed here, because it gives the regular crypto investor an option to pick up SRK without having to sign up for these smaller exchanges and do KYC. A lot of people don't like doing this, and they just won't buy coins because of that. So this gives access to many new people to purchase SRK, and that's massive in my opinion. Also, it gives people a way to earn some extra interest. By providing liquidity, you can earn a percentage of the fees. So I'm going to look into that more and give you guys info. So there's a few new ways to earn SRK, which is huge. Being able to provide liquidity on Uniswap. You could stake your SRK in the Spark Earn platform. You can go to the Spark Earn platform and do referrals, or you can do bounties and earn SRK that way. You could play the games and earn SRK by beating levels. And then you can earn interest by using the Hopit interest. So SparkPoint SRK also has their first token buyback coming at the end of the month. So they're using a percentage of the revenue they make from games and everything else to purchase SRK off the exchanges and help the price rise at the same time as get SRK tokens for future rewards on the platform, as well as token burns that they do quarterly as well. So those are some pretty huge things. Lots of utility building for the project very quickly. Definitely one of the smallest projects I've heard of that has this many ways to earn passive income in the project as well. So definitely this project is growing very quickly. They're also launching the Spark Learn platform, which is coming out next month. So I'm very interested to see how that goes as well. Lots of new things launching for this project. I'm definitely very bullish on this altcoin for end of 2020. Once it spreads through that Spark Earn platform, lots of referrals and new people coming into the project. Especially those games, I think, are going to spread and help get a lot of new people to the project as well. They currently have 5 apps on the Google Play Store, 2 of those being games, and then they are going to be working on expanding this delivery app as well, which has SparkPoint SRK rewards integrated into that. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found the video useful, please share the video. Also, please comment below, what are your thoughts on crypto right now and where is it headed end of 2020? Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.